with my Queen Mother. Errands day. Big Bird. Why Big Bird? Excuse. So, hello vlog! I am Mami Eskay.
And I am Kuya.
So, kakagaling ko lang sa groceries with my Queen Mother, Kuya Coco's Lola. So now, why not share about our kitchen staples or snack staples ni Kuya Coco, right?
Vitamin!
So, usually, ang milk ni Kuya Coco is anything soy milk. Kaya ito, Vitamilk or minsan Vitasoy. Meron rin siyang iniinom na milk is Arla. What's your favorite flavor of Arla?
Strawberry.
Yes, you like strawberries. So, ang kitchen staple din namin is
Egg.
egg. So,
is it brown or white?
So, usually, we buy brown egg. Nauubusan parati ng brown egg. So, doon na lang kami sa white eggs. Minsan, so, 4 pieces left. 4 pieces na lang. Usually, nakakaubos kami ng 2 dozens of egg in a week. So, itong mga bagay na ito, always merong stock si Queen Mother. Lalo na kung dito kami nagsistay. What's next?
Cadbury.
So, Cadbury. So, what are your top 3 chocolates?
Top 1 is Toblerone. Top 2 is KitKat. Top 3 is Cadbury.
Okay, so Cadbury. Oh, meron talagang stock si Lola nito.
Can you eat it, guys?
Okay, so next, Mommy's turn. Meron kaming almond milk. So, it's unsweetened and organic para healthy. So, we usually put this sa coffee. Minsan, pag medyo hyperacidic ako, I don't know, but I think almond milk really works for me. Next, what's yours?
Chupa Chups.
So, Chupa Chups. Pero hindi naman siya palaging kumakain ito. Minsan, pag reward, so, if, example, magsabi kami na, oh, Kobing, you do this task, and then we will give you 1 Chupa Chups. Then, happy na siya niya. Next is,
Flake.
usually, he likes honey flavor. So, kinakain lang niya ito na alone, right?
Yeah.
Pero kung minsan, he likes to eat the original one, pero with Arla strawberry. So usually, mga 1 to 2 hours after his dinner, nagre-request siya ng, anong sinasabi mo sa akin?
I want to eat snack.
Yes, he usually say, snack time, kaya yun, Arla strawberry and original. Before sleeping, spaghetti sauce. So, ang usually ginagamit namin Filipino style or yung Italian style. So, why do we have spaghetti sauce?
I love spaghetti.
Yes, so si Queen Mother hindi talaga nauubusan ng stocks ng spaghetti sauce kasi kung pwede weekly kumakain siya ng spaghetti, homemade talaga na spaghetti. He likes it. Spaghetti is not spaghetti without spaghetti pasta. So, we always have spaghetti pasta. Usually, dito sa bahay ng mami ko, merong 2 cooking oils. One is the virgin olive oil. So, ginagamit namin ito for fish, vegetables, and seafoods. And also, sometimes sa pasta.
Baguio oil.
Yes, the other one is Baguio oil. So, Baguio oil na coconut oil. So, we use this sa meat, fried chicken, fried pork chop. Next is the Heinz Seriously Good mayonnaise. So they are not kidding when they say seriously good. So usually, ginagamit namin ito sa breakfast kung nagre-crave kami ng
Egg sandwich.
yes, kasi he likes egg sandwich. Sometimes we also use cheese. So of course, staple talaga itong cheese because we use it for the pasta. We use it sa bread. So, another staple na naubusan na kami, hilig masyado kami is bread. We like bread. So, next one, it's Nestle All-Purpose Cream. So, ako, nilalagay ko ito sa banana. Ewan ko lahat. Kung pwede rin, watermelon, we like it too. Of course, hindi na uubusan ng fruits dito sa bahay ni Lola. So, what are your top 3 favorite fruits?
Banana, watermelon, and
Watermelon.
and mango.
Okay, so that's his top 3 favorites. And of course, vegetables. So, sige nga, anong favorite mo na vegetables?
Broccoli, and then top 2 is cauliflower, top 3 is cabbage.
Oh.
Top 4 is carrots.
What is your top 5?
Pizza!
Yes, so mahilig talaga siya ng gulay. So, meron na ba, wala na bang nakalimutan? So, yan usually ang staples dito sa kanyang lola. So, okay, that's it. Come on, Sky. So this is how we do it here. We slice it open, the tinapay. It's pandesal. Gardenia pandesal.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.